Well, at least they are using the pool. They love it. Look at little Arthur over here. And Donna, she has really learned how to enjoy the pool. And just look at Jack. And all of them. Yeah. Just not trappies. The short ones don't really go in that easily. But just look at that. For a bunch of dogs that were so scared of the water, they are doing great. The only one that would really love to come here, well, will be Diego. No, this is Enzo. But yeah, he is so far from a dog, it hurts. Enzo, I wish I could just open up for you so you could just come and play. Maybe one day, let's see. Okay, well, this is when Tracy comes in here now. It's just Daisy that I'm worried about. Hey! But yeah, she's quickly making a turn right here by all the other dogs. And I'm keeping an eye on them. And they know me well. If anything gets out of hand, well, they know. Daisy? Okay. Let me just make sure that they know that I am watching them. Yeah, Donna is really enjoying the water. They don't really swim out that side, but they really do enjoy this so much. And they're slowly getting used to it. It might take another 3 or 4 years before they swim like Tracy swims, but we'll see. At least they're getting in by themselves. Well, it's so hot. I think they realize that they just should. Okay, so Computer Cat has got another name. I finally decided on a name for her. Her name is Ashley. Yeah, Ashley is her name, and I think it's a great name. It just suits her so well. Okay, let me go up. Watering the plants. My knee is hurting a little bit, so I am taking it slow. Yeah, if you stand on your knee when you're cleaning a pool, believe me, your knee will hurt a couple of days. But I keep on telling myself that, and I remind myself about it always. That sometimes you just take a chance and you might just hurt your knee. Never stand on your knee next to a swimming pool on that concrete. It always hurts your knee. Tigers are sleeping, but yeah, that's what they do every day. Checking up on the little bird's nest. Can't wait for them to hatch. Oh, and there's little Smarty Pants. Zach found him. Okay, so the dogs are... they want some milk. Let's just give them a little milk. Now and then, giving them a treat. They always enjoy it so much. Look at Arthur. No, Arthur, come on, drink over there. That's it. Here comes Billy. Right, the growling begins. Donna, just look at that. Yeah, can you believe it? Yeah, there's the growling. I just picked up this bee inside the house. It looks different to all the other bees that I've ever seen. And I only had this blade, so he climbed onto it, and there he is. And he's a little smaller than the other bees that I've always seen. I think I'll call him Mini B. Yeah, Enzo got him. 1 point for Enzo. But they were growling like you won't believe a few minutes ago. I actually had to come and see what is going on, and when they saw me approach, they kept quiet, they looked me right in the eye, and they just said sorry. Well, a tiger saying sorry, they just do the and they make some gestures with their faces. But look at those two. Now they've got a score to settle. They want to both show that the one is quicker and more cunning than the other. But yeah, tigers. They are so funny while they are so proud. Yeah, I have to think about it first. How to describe their personalities exactly when they are in this mood. But look at that. Enzo is now throwing stones in the water and hoping for opportunity to arise. Just walked around, coming to try again. He sees Diego is still watching him. He's gonna get in, even though he does not want to get into the water now. He's angry, that's what that is. Well, it's not the kind of angry where he loses his mind. It's the kind where he just wants to settle this quickly. So, Diego better watch out, because Enzo, who does not want to get in the water, will be in the water within 3 seconds. That's 1, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4, 3 exactly. Okay, let's see this. Now he is parading in front of Diego, hoping that Diego will strike. Because if he does, Enzo's got a reason in front of me to take him back on. But look at that. Now that is a recipe for disaster. Diego doesn't mind because he knows that I am standing here. Whatever's going to happen, I'm going to see it. And then, well, he'll take a little knock in, how can I put it, while getting some points with me, because I will be shouting at Enzo then. And these tigers are so amazing. Now they're both waiting for me to leave. If I leave now, there will be trouble. Smarty Pants, are you watching from down there as well? The only thing I need to see now is the fake yawn. Tigers give a fake yawn if they want to just put you at ease, make you think that all is fine. I know that fake yawn so well. Oh, now they're doing absolutely nothing. What up, Bicho? They are all just hanging around here, checking out what is happening here with the tigers. I mean, if you hear them growl, you show up, you go and look what is it all about, because it's not just a normal cat scream. It is a huge growl. You feel it in the walls of the house. But I think they have settled down and we'll have to wait to see what happens next. Okay, Smarty Pants, I'll be feeding you guys soon. Well, let me go get their food ready. At least they get along even while they fight. Yeah, just give it a few seconds more. Nothing whatsoever. They are just valuing their relationship with me too much. Smarty pants. Yeah, Diego, that's a perfect place to fall asleep. And the Piet my vrou bird that you hear in the background is again starting to drive me crazy. Yeah, you hear that bird the whole day, every day. And even at night. I don't think that bird sleeps. I don't even think that bird birds. That bird just screams, Piet my vrou. Well, let me go get their food ready. They will be eating in the next few minutes. So close, but yet so far. Now Enzo is just showing how nice that drum is to Diego. Because maybe Diego would want to come and play with it. And then Enzo will have him. Tigers using bait. Toys, to be exactly, as bait. Well, Enzo pulls his face so bad. I wonder what he would charge to haunt in a 3-bedroom house per hour. Right, Fabrizio, he just loves it when the dogs comes running past. He scratches the hell out of them. And they just ate the cat's food because the cats don't really want to eat. Fabrizio is vomiting a little greenish liquid, and he just finds pleasure in it to scratch the dogs if they run too close to him. That's basically his, well, his hobby. And Diego, just look at him, ready to eat. Enzo was here a second ago. Better get their food ready. There he goes. There comes Enzo. Feeling like playing. But I think they will rather eat. Look at them. Pressing Enzo's blood pressure through the roof. Luckily he can take it. But yeah, those dogs will not chase Fabrizio like that. There is just no way. In fact, he chases them like that. Well, all the dogs are barking right now, and I will have to go and feed them all. Let me get going. See you guys in a little while. Right, all the cats followed me out. It's time to feed the tigers. They love it. Enzo is going to be first. Are you ready, Enzo? Here it comes. Perfect catch from Enzo. Let's see if Diego can miss it. Diego, let's see if you can miss it. You have to miss this one to win. Yeah, he did it. He won. These tigers are so clever. Well, there he goes. He doesn't want to spend time eating here by the little ones, but I'll just deliver one to him right there. And then Enzo can get one over here. They are a little colder than usual because it is really hot here by us. So it is better to just rather give it to them at a lower temperature. There's another one, Enzo. Oh, sorry, Enzo, you will have to go and take a swim after this. Right, I think I'm going to give Diego another one as well. Right by his face. There it is, Diego. And then I'm going to take the last one and just leave it here by the cats, because there's quite a few of them around here. And I don't know if I've told everybody, but Computer Cat has got a new name. Her name is Ashley. Yes, I've been wanting to give her a new name for a long time, and I think Ashley is just a beautiful name that suits her, and that's what it is. So Ashley will now take the place of Computer Cat. But in any case, I have to just tear this open for the cats, because they are a little spoiled and I really don't want to, but I guess I'll just have to. Okay, sissy. Right, that's it. Well guys, that's it. They are fed. Now over to the dogs. They will be eating in the next 10 minutes. And then I'm done. Okay, in the background, the sound of monkeys getting a bath. And what I'm busy doing, well, I'm making 2 of these reducers, just where 2 different sizes of rubber pipe has to be connected together, and it's a special size on both sides, so you have to make these things. You can't buy it, and that helps me a lot when I've got the lathe. And what doesn't help is when those monkeys are well, not keeping quiet, but they're playing and they are going crazy over there, and I'm getting this done. So Porsche, I don't know when it's going to be running, but it might be soon. I'm not really that hasty anymore, but I keep on doing a little every day. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'll have these ready by tonight. Okay, well, there they are, 2 of them. Now I can install those pipes, and yeah, they should work just fine. Okay, Rambo will be sleeping on this side tonight. He slept here last night as well. Diego, here's the stuff I just made. What do you think about him? Yeah, nice, eh? Okay, now these lot are gonna jump on me when I open up. So they'd be rather just say, well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And like always, have a good night.